Repgrep is a terminal application that complements Burnt Sushi's Repgrep by providing interactive search and replacement capabilities across multiple files. This tool is particularly useful for developers and system administrators who need to perform bulk text replacements efficiently and with ease. This video provides a clear and concise demonstration of how to utilize Repgrep in PowerShell for modifying a specific string within a designated text file. It walks you through the process step by step, showcasing the interactive features of Repgrep that make searching and replacing text straightforward and efficient. We add the ability to use Repgrep from a Vim plugin, allowing users to seamlessly integrate interactive search and replacement capabilities directly within their text editing environment. This enhancement streamlines the workflow for developers who prefer using Vim and PowerShell, enabling them to perform text modifications without leaving the editor. For more information on how to set up and use this feature, please refer to the description below. Your support is vital to this channel. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe for more similar content. For additional information, follow the link in the description. Don't forget to check out our Temu storefront on Pinterest, where you can find a selection of highly rated, budget-friendly, and high-quality items.